Hi, I'm Sammy Sopko,
And I'm Katie Grodygood.
and we are from Breakthrough Schools in Cleveland, Ohio. Today we're here to tell you how we started small, moved quickly, and played nicely with others to get to where we are today. Breakthrough Schools is a network of high-quality charter schools in Cleveland. Our schools are free, public, and open to any student in grades K through 8. Our mission is to continue growing and prepare students for success in life. Next school year, we will serve 3,500 students. We started in 2010 with 3 unique education models. We came together in partnership with the Cleveland Metropolitan School District, which is our local district who partners many of our schools, and they helped us replicate our models to get to 11 schools today. Even though our network is free and public, we receive only 2/3 of the public funding that the local district receives. We also do not receive facilities funding as the local district gets through property taxes. And our students are 98% minority and 80% low income, so we're serving the same zip codes, the same demographics, but we're producing superior results. A recent study by CREDO at Stanford University found that our network is the best charter network in Ohio. And our students outperform all of the large urban districts in Ohio. This is in part because of our initiatives like the Technology Enhanced Learning Program.
So how we did this, we started small. And in the beginning, we formed the Technology Enhanced Learning Department, population 1, 2, if you count my robot, Balthazar. And we did some really weak ed tech pilots. By really weak and really small, I mean 3 teachers, really weak and really small. And in there, we did coding, we did AR, we did VR, we did robotics, we did circuitry, we did movie making. And the materials were either dug out and brushed off a little bit of dust from the back of some closet, or they were donated, or they were purchased with a very, very small budget. And then it happened. It caught. And probably most of you, your eyes are drawn to RJ in the back who's experiencing success, but the real story here is the little wiggler down at the bottom of the screen. He's participating in this robotics lesson. And it's the first time he's participating because he's not acting out, he's not suspended, he's not in the hallway crying. He's able to share his success of robotics and coding, which is the first time this first grade class that you're looking at ever did this. And the teachers started to realize this goes beyond learning standards and teaching standards. They're learning so much more. The spark caught, so now it was time to move quickly, and move quickly we did. In our first year, we got into as many classrooms as possible. And that looked like over 40% of our students had some experience with STEM. And in our first year alone, our teachers created over 1,600 Google Classrooms, which is the equivalent to 7 Google Classrooms per every teacher in our entire network. Word spread, and now we needed to, we had the attention of our big community partners, which we were excited about, and also we were collaborating with Cleveland Schools, CMSD, and we played nicely with our big community partners, including NASA. And at NASA, our students designed and tested materials for the Mars Rover Challenge using engineering design thinking. So they built the wheels in part for that. We also partnered with We Can Code It, which is a local coding boot camp. And during this, we provide scholarships for any Breakthrough family member who completes the coding boot camp. And you're looking at 2 of our most recent graduates, which is a father and a son, both with relatives in the Breakthrough Network. We were one of 4 schools in Ohio chosen to beta test the Google Expedition AR app. And then lastly, our first-time filmmakers entered the Kids Film It Festival. And after walking the red carpet, providing interviews and autographs, they were named the winners of the People's Choice Cleveland.com. We won first place. Our 4th grade movie makers won it. And that was based solely on community vote. So playing nicely with others definitely paid off.
So we have a number of high priority initiatives next year. We'll continue on the next loop of our EdTech cycle. We'll think big, innovate, and repeat. We'll develop new programs such as wraparound services at our school and develop an alumni relations program. And we'll continue growing our student base, reaching 5,000 students and renovating facilities to grow. Another initiative is a partnership with university hospitals. Dr. Costa and Dr. Zarafi reached out to Breakthrough to address urban healthcare through our schools. So starting with our families, right where they are every day. We'll develop programs for both students and families, creating a platform for UH doctors, nurses, and other employees to volunteer in our schools. And we're thrilled to become part of the Verizon Innovative Learning Schools Cohort 5 next school year in partnership with Digital Promise. This provides one-to-one iPads for our middle school students, 24/7 data access so they can take these home over the weekend and over the summer. A lot of our students do not have access at home, so this is a really big deal. And it also provides professional development for our teachers. We are passionate about innovation and change because we work with the most precious natural resources on earth, children. And we've seen great success so far. So imagine what we can do with equitable funding and philanthropy. We'd love to share the passion of our network through the voice of one of our students.
I'm Celeste Masa. I graduated from Breakthrough E-Prep Cliffs campus. I went to Cleveland Early College with John Hay, class of 2014. And now I'm a senior at Ohio Northern University in mechanical engineering. We did a lot of like the women in science and engineering things at Case. They had this man, he was like an army vet, and his arm was cut off like right here. And so they were making it bio like an arm that worked with his nerve endings and like everything moved, functioned, and perfectly fine. And I was like, I want to do that. Like I've known I was going to do engineering for sure since I was in 7th grade. I'll be graduating with a mechanical engineering degree in less than 6 months. And that all started like at Breakthrough. From the day I walked in the door, it was like, you're going to college, you're going to succeed. And I was like, that's what I want to be hearing. Because I'm going to go to college, I'm going to do something big in life. So right now I'm applying to Marathon, Boeing, Karpinski Engineering, Noble-Tech. They're like an aerospace engineering firm. Husky, Cooper Tire, all those places are like on the radar for mechanical engineering for me. I figured out what I want to do.
Thank you.